In today's short video, I'll be telling you guys how to save battery life on your iPhone 8 Plus. And of course, my iPhone 8 Plus is running on iOS 11.3 officially. Let me just show you general, about, and this version. It's 11.3 obviously. I've been using this phone since November 2017 and the performance on this iPhone is just perfect. And if you want some good battery life on your iPhone 8 Plus, just follow some of my steps and I'll teach you how to save battery life on your iPhone 8 Plus. So let's begin. First, go to Control Center like that and see if you have enabled your AirDrop. Turn this thing off because it constantly tracks other devices to AirDrop things. So just turn this off, and Wi-Fi and Bluetooth as well. Now go to settings. Here we have general, background app refresh, and click on off so that all of these apps will not refresh in the background, and definitely improves battery life. The main thing that I do want to mention is that if you don't have MacBook or any other Apple device, so just turn this feature off, because this feature constantly tracks Mac and other devices. Next thing I'm gonna talk about is photos. I hardly use my photo stream and iCloud photo sharing, and especially this third, the mobile data option, so I just don't use it. So make sure all of these are turned off, and turning off all these options will not transfer your photos to the photo stream or anything like that. I wanted to point out under privacy tab in location services, and right here, share my location. Just turn this feature off, and make sure you have turned all of these apps to while using. It will slightly improve your battery life. Now let's pay attention to the iTunes and App Store. Here we have the automatic downloads option. I've already turned this off, and make sure you have turned your mobile data off, because these two options are constantly killing your battery. Now jump into location services, go all the way down, and here we have system services option. Now this is a very picky option because most of the people don't know about it. And here we have location based alerts, location based Apple ads. I really don't use, so I turn it off, and the location based suggestion should also be turned off. Again, let's get into location services, go all the way down and click on system services. Now go down and see product improvement. I'll turn 3 of them off because I use maps. Under privacy tab, there's a lot of important options that I want to turn them off. For example, here we have analytics right here. Okay, these are some of the options that Apple and developers use to see what's going on with the phone, whether you know or not. Mostly people don't know these options, so just turn all of these options and improvements off to get more and more battery life. And last but not the least, here you have to go to significant locations. Let me put my finger. So just turn this feature off because it always tracks your location of wherever you go, whatever you do, it always tracks. And if you guys found the video helpful and enjoyed it, don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe.